Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can manage sound settings in GORENJE Dishwasher GS. So in the first step, open the settings menu by holding the program and delay button together for a few seconds. Now we are in the settings mode. Then go to the second program. This is sound settings. To manage the settings, click on the program button. The 203 means the beep is loudest. 200 it's deactivated. 201 it's a silent. 202 it's a medium. If you want to apply the settings, go to the click on the self-cleaning program to go to the end. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.